Hey everybody, welcome to the MSC Seashore. This is room 15211. This is an Aurea Premium Suite with a Whirlpool. It's one of the nicer rooms on board, and there's only a handful of these on board this ship. So we're excited to show you exactly what you get when you book this room and what's included. So let's tour this room right now. All right guys, a couple quick features about this room you're gonna love. One, it's huge, it's extremely long. It does somewhat feel a little bit narrow, but it is huge lengthwise, so there's tons of room to spread out in here. Another thing is you get a full tub shower, which is really nice. And then an even nicer upgrade is going to be a walk-in closet with tons of shelving and drawers and space to hang stuff. That's just a super premium benefit that you're gonna get with this room. Then of course, as the name implies, there is a Whirlpool on the balcony or a hot tub, so we will show you guys what that looks like as well. But let's check out the room. Okay, so as you come in, you do kind of feel like you're in a hallway. You pass the bathroom and you pass the walk-in closet and you come into the room. As you probably already noticed, you have the main bed back here, but then you also have this couch that converts to a bed, and not just one bed, but it actually comes up and makes bunk beds. So you can sleep 4 this way, and then there's another seat in the corner that I'll show you now, and that seat also converts to a bed, so you could technically sleep 5 in this cabin. Then of course, behind me all the way back in the corner over here, you do have another chair to sit in. So this makes a total of this chair, a couch, and another love seat here. Tons of seating options when you're not wanting to lay in bed, and tons of sleeping options in this cabin. Some other great features that come with this room are going to be a coffee maker down here. I don't know if you guys can see this. If I squat down, you follow me here. We have a coffee maker. There's coffee in the room. There's also champagne over here on the desk waiting for us on ice already. And these welcome aboard drinks are included. It's only when you have to get it refilled that they're going to charge you a little bit more. So let's go check out this bathroom with a tub. Okay, so it's not the biggest bathroom, but it does have a tub and it has exactly what you need. Now let's move on to the closet. So a really nice closet, one of the biggest ones we've ever had on board a ship, especially for this level of room. And finally, what everyone's been waiting for, let's go check out the balcony. So as we step outside, the first thing you come to is your Whirlpool. And as you can see, it's not exactly the largest in the world, but it is a private Whirlpool on board the ship. It clearly seats about 2, maybe 3 people if you want to be really close to somebody. There is a little bit of walking room on the other side if you wanted to stand over there and have a conversation. As we pan around, you'll see Amy over here on the balcony. She was spotting dolphins while I was filming over here. So there's dolphins in port today with us in Port Canaveral. And then you have your 2 seating chairs here. As you can see, there is quite a bit of room. And in front of the chairs, there's also plenty of standing space. And then you have a nice rounded balcony. So just to give you an idea of what the whole thing looks like, can't capture it in one shot, guys, but panning over, that is what it looks like. So while this is not a gigantic balcony, it is very big, and having the hot tub is very nice, and it doesn't take up the whole balcony. So you do have plenty of room for hanging out on the balcony and having people in the hot tub with no problem at all. Now, I do want you to note there is only one USB plug next to the bed. So this is very common that there's not a lot of plugs and not a lot of options around the room for charging. So just like on most of the other ships that we've showed you, all of your chargers are going to be here on the desk. You can see you have 2 normal outlets as well as 2 USB outlets. And then on this side, you have the Euro outlets. So if you have a converter, you could use those. Well guys, thank you so much. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate you guys so much. You can always use the QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even on board the MSC Seashore. And as always, we will see you guys on the next one.